Ever played Flappy Bird? Well, I decided to make my own version. Why play when you can build it, right? This is my take on Flappy Bird, simple, fun, and challenging. Let's call it Skyhop, but with a twist. It's a balloon, and yep, I got some coding help from ChatGPT. Now, here's where psychology comes in. In psychology, attention is all about focusing on what is important. Just like in this game where you have to keep your eye on the balloon, your brain is constantly using attention to navigate through obstacles. So, while you are having fun, you are also giving your brain a little workout. So, how to play? When you press space, the balloon flaps.